Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the USB Type C to a 3-port USB 2.0 hub. It's also known as a OTG cable, durable. It's a on-to-go cable or dongle. Also could be used for your PC or your Apple MacBook or your iMac system. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I got this from out of eBay from China for only $2.29. That's include free shipping. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. They also have white color or black color. I think I got the white color. Oh no, I got the black color. I didn't want to get wet. I mean, get wet. Get dirty. So here it is. Well, come with the retail package. It says support 1 terabyte, 480 megabit per second. And card reader hub 2-in-1, so you could connect like a mouse, memory card. The stick card and then the memory card or the keyboard. Okay. And this is made in China. Just open this up. Wow, so you got one USB hub, 2, 3, and then there's a flash memory card right there. Cool. And this is a micro USB Type C. So I'll probably do like a video. Oh, I'm not sure why is it like twisting. Hopefully it's not gonna break too easy since it's so cheap. Let's see what's on the back real quick. So application to MacBook and smartphone. That's a Pro Type C. Support read, write, transflash memory cards. A single USB port expansion into 2. Why say into 2? I thought it's 3. Support USB device such as a USB flash drive, flash disk, USB mouse, USB keyboard, and etc. I think, let me check. So I guess maybe the bottom here is only for like a USB keyboard, USB mouse. And this is the 2 expansion. I'll probably do a product review on this and then let you guys see. Support Windows servers 2003, 2008, 2012, and then Windows 2000, ME, XP, Vista 7, 8 Linux, Mac OS, and Android. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notification or drop in comments on below. I'll probably do an in-depth full review about this dongle or OTG cable. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.